say it's a good one though, but I'm not as happy as I could be. So what's happened? I received this box, and inside the box it says Aomway. Oh, it's good, Aomway. I like Aomway, and they are getting better. But what? What's this? And the thing, it turned out that I got something different from Banggood that I ordered. The interesting thing is that when you see it, the page says it's attached to the camera. And what happened here? I got something without attached. It's not attached to anything, it's just a cable. Wow. So what's about the camera? Ta-da! Yeah, it's good. It's box, and oh, wow, it's ball, and it has 700 TVL. And what it says here, it says it's 600 TVL with 2.8 millimeter. And I got the 700 TVL ones. It's good. I can't complain because it's better in all way. But it says 2.1 millimeter installed, and when it comes to the lens, 2.1 millimeter means a huge field of view. It's too big. You can't say it's good for FPV. It's really huge. I think it's too big. So I have to complain to Banggood to send just a lens for me, or another camera, because I need the 2.1 millimeter. It's really hard to fly with this. It's kind of a scary thing. The bad thing, the good thing about this, that you have a connector, and you can just plug in your cable like this. It's good, and I like it. It's turned out better than I thought it would be. And the other good thing that I got some camera mounts, so I can mount it on my. Oh, what's happened? The main thing is ahead of us. Where to mount the camera? This is a Lantian 210. It's a not big and not small frame, but it's a really good one. Ha, as always. So these are props. Again, bullnose 50-45 props. I like it. It's KingKong ones. I think they are not balanced as well as the KingKong ones, but these are Lantian ones. Well, maybe they are good, maybe not. We will see it. I get a butter strap. It's a nice touch. Oops. Yeah, this way. Lantian. Yeah. I also get camera mounts. Okay, it's good. It also said Lantian. I don't know how to say it. The front mount, that it should be something carbon fiber, but it turned out it's actually a 3 LED panel. So I mount on my camera, and the LED will glow. It's good, I think. I don't know how I will mount this camera on this, because it's I don't know. I will find out. The mounting screws, they have legs and screws, and and screws for attaching. Yeah, as you can see, the DYS-32 and it also has some 3D printed mounts for the LEDs. It's good touch. No, I like it. I like it. As you can see, it's going inside this. It's really good one. So, what about the frame? Ta-da! I bought the Lantian 210 frame. This is a really good copy of the famous Aomway QRV 210. And I think it's better in all ways, because what's the problem with Aomway 210s is that it has too many holes in the front and the end, in the front and the back near the arms, and it has only 3 little ones. So it's just a kid's toy. It's not a bad thing. I like the song. So this is the upper plate, and I believe it's 1.5 millimeter thick. It's not too thick and not too thin at all. So I think it will do it. Wow. Oh, it's kind of dust from the carbon fiber. They are just left some residue on it. Okay. It sounds like carbon fiber, and I will measure it with multimeter. The arms are thicker than the Aomway 210, and the holes inside are smaller, so it's better in all ways of the Aomway. Okay, you can order it with 5 millimeter thick base plate, but the thing that the 5 millimeter ones are much thicker, they are much heavier as well. So when you consider buying something thicker, you will get something slower as well. So think through before you order one. And the good thing that these motors will fit nicely on this. Ha! Yeah, it's really good. I can make something with 2 motors attached to each other because the wires are so long. I like it. I will cut like this maybe for the ESCs. They don't really need too much wire each other's. So I will make this quad as good as I can. The next video will about the building process of this. So I just want to say thank you, and I was Proptor, and this is my new channel, and I would like to ask you to like, subscribe and share my videos. Cheers.